for some Winnie the Pooh action. Heck yeah.
I haven't checked the time.
I mean, for kids, right?
The East Wind traded places with
Man, it's hot in here.
You'll never reach that tree.
Here, hang on tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look.
Hang on, Roo. Take care. Boing. 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 Alright, I don't remember this from Winnie the Oh, it's raining. Tigger.
A very big waterfall.
Oh, Pooh.
Might obey, and everyone gathered together to say,
These things are gonna have to go. But it ain't gonna be this one. You know what this is? This is a pebble flipper. Well, great, thanks, guys. I never gonna get that song out of my head. Okay. See you later.
Tickets for some plenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's go.
What's it?
You want the other ones? I got plenty. Oh, I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing.
I know giant clams.
the flute is my Duke of soul. You can play the main song, the spirit of the rocking out the back. She sings the spin and the spot, they know where it's at. I know that hurts, but take it from me. She won't say a word, she won't say a word until I see her.
These are Christmas collection.
Yes.
So, did you decide which one you want to get?
How much are them?
This is, I think it's 29.
One size. 29.
Size,
Oh yeah, 29.
99.
For all of them? Alright.
They upped their price. They used to be 26, I think.
Yeah, they have to
Now
press a little bit.
So you got that one for Christmas, that one for Christmas. I guess maybe those ones?
Yeah, this has been out for a while.
Yeah.
This is new.
Okay. I don't know, I like that one the most though.
Yeah, I like it.
Do you think this fits better right now?
No, I like the gingerbread.
Those are pretty cool too. I like those ones.
Put in the comments.
He's all dressed up. Time for Space Mountain. 40-minute wait. And no people mover. All right, we got done with Space Mountain. It was really fun, really dark. It seemed like there was stuff that's coming right towards your head, but kind of just ducked. And I will say, at the beginning, you're in this like tunnel, and I went to touch the roof because it was close enough to touch the roof, and it shocked me and Justin. So I don't know if that's like a design they have so people don't do that, but man, it hurt. All right, I don't know what we're gonna do next, but we'll see you guys there. Whee! Woo! Whee! Everybody's here.
Hi! Vulture!
Oh, we're about to go down. Oh, that was.
Told you. That row sucks. Whoa!
Oh man, there we
That
go.
one was good. We're rocking and rolling. Oh shoot.
Yeah, really. I know.
Alright, now you gotta do this with us. Alright, left.
Hi-ho! Hi-ho!
Hi-ho!
Hi-ho! Look at them walking!
It's home from where we go. Hi-ho! 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 It's home from where we go. It's home from where we go.
Really bad.
There we go!
Oh, I whipped a little bit.
You pooped a little bit, you said?
I whipped. What else pooped? Look. House from. There's the house.
Oh, look at that!
I never.
Get him out! He's not dead?
Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Oh, jeez. Relax.
And we do mobilize. We bring those strong to socialize. Close your eyes and don't try to.
The hitchhiking goes. Need a lift? We love you, Mickey!
Merry Christmas!
Mary Poppins!
Are you the new one or the old one?
They look like the old one. Yeah, really. Well, that's fine. That's great.
Face.
Yeah, just clips and portions of it is all I need. Oh, look at the reindeer. Is that all for Christmas?
This game's normal.
Oh, okay.
Like this is not normal.
Turn it off.
Really cool though. The flying magic carpets.
Look, this is AC. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
You ready, Justin?
That's a mistake. It's gonna pour on us too, I know it.
I know you can't really see it. But it is cloudy. It feels good here in Florida. Today is not the day to ride this. But we did it anyways.
Oh, that was really close.
Yeah. Man. Yeah, no. We were really banking on us not getting like wet at all, but
Yeah, I didn't think we were gonna get wet. Or at least soaked. I knew we were gonna get wet. It's not.
no, we're gonna get soaked.
No.
It's raining right now too.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna get wet from them. No?
No.
Oh,
They die. They go straight into.
I thought maybe something comes up. Alrighty. Be good. Be good. Be good.
Relax.
Gamate way.
Wow, look, we're in Crater Country. Flat feet, please, furballs. Cabbages.
Ooh, look at that lettuce. Some carrots, some turnips. Justin, you look so cold.
I'm not excited anymore.
I'm not excited.
It's raining so much.
It is raining, guys, but
Not so much. I can feel it.
ooh, I like that treehouse. Have you seen this movie? I haven't either. I mean, I could find a way if I wanted.
Nice seeing you. Pretty good show.
Show me.
Look at it bounce! It is nicely themed, though.
The animatronics hold up.
And again, this would fit really good in New Orleans. If you've also seen the movie. Have you seen the movie?
This one?
Yeah. No, not this one. But
Yeah,
yeah.
a long time ago.
That's what I'm saying. It fits perfectly, you know, when they're in the swamp.
Oh, this.
I had the possum.
Boy, are we in luck. We'll get set to love that place.
Watch the frog. Watch out. Beware. Danger. Oh, they're playing with TNT over there. Ow! Little prairie dog. Oh no! I'll help you. That's a big southern accent right there. Oh man, we're like.
Right up here. So you're looking
Here we
for
go.
that.
I'm not ready, guys. No.
On the camera.
Not at all. Oh my God! My eyes! It's right over my eyes!
It just sprayed our face. We just got sprayed that we're dry, but it sprayed our face. Okay.
Well, that's that.
It just sprayed our face. Our
Literally
bodies are dry.
Yeah, just
but
my
everything
eyes.
else-
It was just my eyes, but that was really fun. Man, I want to see my face because I bet. Too bad we had the mask on because.
I felt like something was spitting at us the
Yeah.
entire time.
All right, we're gonna go eat, and we'll see you guys there.
Sweet, I'm so thirsty.
I was like, I don't want to ruin this. Got it. It's the kids' veggie bowl.
And you got that.
Choco taco.
There might even inspire an old Scrooge like me to sing a Christmas carol for you. You ready?
It's not going to happen either. That puts us in Africa on the Congo River. So let's see how far we can go looking for Christmas delights. Now let's hope this holiday season that the only holiday crush you feel is from a boa constrictor on this cruise. And that you don't get into any lions.
Oh.
Now I believe the Piggly Waters is going to have a holiday party, but they're still in line at the shopping. Oh, but I can spot what they're getting for Christmas.
Yeah.
Can you?
Can you?
Now I believe they've got their Christmas tree all decorated. Look! It's all wrapped in a boa.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful. And, oh, look! I believe the in-laws are in town. I need to practice for my family, so I need your help. Family, how nice is
That's it for today. Another amazing day here at Disney. All Christmas out and everything. Can't wait to come again and try it more. It wasn't bad at all. As you can see, it's really thin down here and bright. I can't believe it. It's really cool.